Hey there skiers and riders, my name's Jay Roy and this is your Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update for Thursday, January 10th. Snowing off and on right now with the temperature right below 30 and the wind at 20 miles per hour. Later today, the winds will die down and these snow showers will fade into partly cloudy skies. The mountain's open from 9 to 10 today, so whether you skip work or school or just come out later, we'll have 21 trails and 5 lifts waiting for you. Hitchcock and Franny's are going to be closed until the afternoon as the parks team moves the features from Franny's to the main park on Hitchcock for this weekend's events. Once they're done setting up, we'll open up Upper Hitchcock and you can enjoy the rollers on Franny's. January is National Learn to Ski and Snowboard Month, so tell a friend who doesn't already ski or ride to come take a lesson.
Make sure to stay tuned to these taped reports, follow us on social media, and stop by Wachusett.com for more info. Come on out, it's awesome today.
I'll see you on the slopes.